Have you guys seen this video going around? It shows an EV charger, an EVSE, correctly labeled, not an actual EV charger, catching fire after some testing and some hackers got a hold of it. You can see the cable start to go right here, and there's a little bit of flames that go off, and it kind of pops up a little bit, and then the power dies and it goes out. Now, there's a problem with this. As a keen observer, you may have noticed that it was charging at over 80 amps and 240 volts. And cars in the United States are not able to charge at that rate, and nor are EV chargers installed with what would require a 100 amp circuit just for that charger. That's why it's not connected to a car, because if it were connected to a car, this would have never happened. So there are a few issues with this where I'm just going to label this as just misinformation, because it is not reality what they're doing here, and the article is even worse. So the article reads, "The EV charger hack that could burn down your house just got more terrifying." And here's the kind of give. They say to achieve this task, we needed a way to load the EV chargers with maximum power and pull as much current as possible. We used a bank of heaters to draw various amounts of current during testing. But here's the part that really kills me. A hacker across the world could reach in and set it on fire. Here's the guy that wrote it too, Neil Rubenking, and this is the line that really just set me over the edge. Your trusty charger in your garage may well be one of those safe models. If not, hackers could literally make it explode in a ball of fire. Yeah, I'm gonna have to disagree with you there, Neil. This is not how it works. So, as I mentioned, EVs in the US anyways cannot charge at that rate, with some very rare exceptions. And your EV charger would have to be installed with that specific amperage, and they're just not, because EV chargers aren't designed to go up to that rate. Then you would have to actually hack into the system, which is also extremely rare. Oh, and by the way, did I mention that they did something else here that's more nefarious? Yeah, the team found that they could make a small physical modification to the resistant chargers to put them in the vulnerable category. So right, if a burglar were to modify your door to remove the lock, they could just walk right in. Your door is the problem with your house. What a stupid take, and an absolutely just sensational misinformation piece by a guy that should absolutely know better. But it really just got me thinking about